You broke her. Think about that. She wasn't just any woman. She was sent to you as a gift, a blessing, a test to see how you would treat her. She was the one that was supposed to heal you and to love you fully. She was supposed to be the calm in the middle of your storm. She cared about your future, not just in this life, but the one after too. She was the one that was meant to stay by your side through everything, wanting nothing but the best for you. She never gave up on you. She chose you, she believed in you, and she fought for you every single time. And what did you do? Broke, you crushed the love and the trust that she poured into you. You made her cry over and over again when all she ever did was love you. You had something rare, something beautiful. She was like a rose meant to be treasured. But you let it all fall apart in your heads. Let that sink in you. Had a blessing and you lost it.